Opening night is so surreal, and to see how much work we've accomplished in such a short amount of time has been so rewarding.
It's always such a quick process to get to opening night, and this one has been a real roller coaster journey to get there.
The anticipation of this moment obviously speaks for itself. Everyone involved, from the cast, the orchestra, the crew backstage, they were just incredible, everyone.
And I couldn't be more proud of the cast and the crew.
I mean, we brought a legend to life. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory couldn't be any better. Delivers on every level. The cast is incredible. The tech is incredible. It's absolutely stunning. Couldn't be more proud.
It takes a family, a community to make this happen. And the team that I have around me, they're extraordinary. All of these different departments and all the people within them, they're all brilliant at what they do.
Just before we get going with the show, I just want to say a huge congratulations to all of you. A massive good luck for tonight. You've all been absolutely amazing. Trust the process, trust everything you've done over these last couple of months, all the hard work that you've put in. This is a celebration of everything that you've done over the last couple of months to get here.
It's been such a journey, and obviously we've rehearsed these shows so many times, but knowing that audience is full, it does add a different element to the nerves, of course.
We're all so proud of you, and you're going to absolutely be amazing this evening. So, all together on 3. 1, 2, 3, Charlie!
We haven't had a Wonka franchise in this part of town for years.
Yeah, well, I'm not surprised. Will you look at this mess? These people are animals!
It felt absolutely incredible, and it's really hard to explain just how big this means to me, but not just to me, to Royal Caribbean itself. It's those Wonka bars!
You see the benefit to having the child actor in the story, because there's just a natural innocence and endearing quality to the children. All the way going back to our auditions, where we saw so many amazing, talented kids, it was so hard to pick. But we've got Oliver and we've got Edward, and they are incredible at what they do.
I'm enjoying it. I love seeing how the chocolate's made.
You do?
Of course I do. It is just crazy, the feeling of being in that light on right at the front, bowing to all the people, clapping for you, cheering for you.
Well, it's interesting because we're telling such a great story, and for the longest time we've been telling it to empty seats. So now that I know people are walking away with this amazing story, it's all the more fulfilling.
It doesn't matter how many weeks of preparation and changing things, learning rehearsal, there's nothing that compares to the feeling that you get stepping out on stage when there's that live audience.
As soon as the Chocolate Factory was revealed, you could hear the entire audience gasp. The smell of chocolate came throughout the audience and came throughout the theater. It just was really incredibly rewarding to see it all come to life.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory has such a history of success, of beauty, of excitement, of characters, and we've brought all that to legend, and I think it was spot on. I think the audience, through the years that this is going to play on the stage, will love every minute.